everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady here with a video checking in on the progress of my 2022 Crazy Green Lady experiments. Now, the first thing to note, this, though conveniently located, is a terrible place to have these because they're simply not getting enough sun. So I am going to figure out where to move them. But I wanted to give you an update. It's been about a month, maybe a little over a month since they've been planted, and they're not growing nearly as well as they should be. So let me show you up close and personal what we're looking at. Well, as I just pan over, you can see here's one with good germination. That is Florida rye. These were sown January 2nd, so yeah, about 5 weeks. This one, hulless oats, is starting to germinate. Not much showing up here. I'm not sure where this tag is. And USG 3536. Why didn't I put better label on that? I'm a little disconcerted that I don't see all my tags. I had them all labeled. Slow germination, but really not great. So actually the same goes for the poppies back here. I think it's just too shady. I'm probably not going to move the poppies, but I think it is imperative to move these somewhere on a different exposure where it'll actually get some sunlight, but is still going to be accessible to watering. So you see right over there is my hose. So that's why this location, in theory, is great. It's just too shady through the winter season. So as I walked around the garden looking for a place that's conveniently located, that I can get water to, that I'm already coming to for watering, that's flat and full sun, and I basically identified this bed that is really a mix of Lysomachia nummularia, just pretty invasive really, but it's good for suppressing weeds, and mixed into that are Chandler strawberries, and there's a handful of daikon radish left, but these can just get pulled out. Look at that, that big old hole that it left. Such a good plant for tilling and aerating soil. So I think I'm just gonna clean this bed up. That's all Lantana montaviensis, which has been hardy. I'm just gonna cut that mess down and kind of make it so that I can fit all those pots just staggered throughout this bed. And I think they'll do a lot better here.
You're welcome.
Timing was perfect. He just got dropped off on the school bus.
Yep.
And I think these are going to grow so much faster now. We were just saying, like, I bet by Sunday, maybe by the following Sunday's weekly garden tour, all of these will be germinated and looking like something. It's just because they've been in way too much shade. We should have probably never put them there.
Yeah.
But it's such a convenient location. And it's great for the summer, but not for the winter. Well, I look forward to sharing updates with you on all of these different grains that we are growing. The Cool Season grain project that's also being done down at Johnson Nursery. We have set dates for our grain experiences. So I will try to load those into the description, a link so that you can learn more about what we have planned coming up in June, growing all your own grains. I think it's going to be cool. And you're going to have to come down and help teach a class.
Yeah.
You're the original thresher. It was all him. All right, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good day.